In these short videos, I will try to introduce the content of the course to you and try to explain why you would want to study this animation course. First of all, this course is built in easy lessons and projects. However, this course is not full of unnecessary details that you will never ever need, and videos are also not that very long because I don't want you to sleep with the long videos, and I try to make every single video to cover the important topic, and at the same time I made them short and concise. Yes, of course, it's the bite-sized videos. This course is designed to help you to take first step into the world of 3D animations. We will start with the basics learning, like how to set keyframes, manipulate the keyframe, animate a bouncing ball, how to use the graph editor, and we'll also learn the control motion smoothly with the graph editor. After mastering these fundamentals, you will dive into the projects like animating a machine gun using constraint, and also you'll bring the jet planes to life in the flight. One of the most important benefit of this course is this course also builds a strong foundations that will be super helpful when you go on to learn the 12 principle of animations in the future. I hope that we will meet inside. See you there, my friend.